It's like Christmas around Castle Customs. We got our parts order finally. Now, funny little story about these parts. They actually have been all over Hell's Half Acre. They bounced all over from state to state, finally ending up in Alberta. And they ended up at the fella's shop that owns the pickup I'm working on and all these parts are going into. And what's really funny is he actually flew all these out to me personally. He brought them in a suitcase. I believe the alternator and maybe the cam might have come in his carry-on. So try explaining that to the TSA. Anyway, yeah, obviously the cam, that's the heart of this whole horsepower endeavor. This is Cams Thumper Stage 1. 218 and 229 at 50 thousandths lift with a lobe separation angle of 111. So should have a nice little chop. Nice little bump in power from the stock camshaft. And with this kit, you get essentially like a whole rebuild kit for your heads and new set of lifters, push rods, timing set. It's a good little buy, I think. New valve stem seals, the whole works. Pretty neat. We got a set of unequal length Doug's ceramic coated headers. These actually look really nice. New power steering pump, right? The old one was whining. Plugs, plug wires. Obviously new plugs are going in too, but little bump in the electronics department here. This is a 165 amp alternator that we've got. Yeah, no, new filter and bit of a intake tube system. But yeah, that's kind of the stuff that's going to give us the bumps and power, that and obviously the port and polish in the heads. And then we got a new gasket set for it too. Quite the kit. Velcro gasket set. So yeah, this is all going to be really nice. Glad it all showed up finally. So a little closer look at some of these things. These are the Doug's headers. I think these are a really nice looking header. Welds are beautiful and the ceramic coating is right on point. So those will be nice. Give it a little more noise. Pretty standard here, right? New power steering pump. So as I mentioned, this cam system, right? Brand new lifters, right? We'll have to get those bathing in some oil, fill them up. Push rods, whole new set of hardened push rods, brand new. Timing set, right? Cam. This is obviously the heart of our power chase that we're going after here. And yeah, this whole just can't get old. Well, I mean, you obviously get paid for this stuff, right? But what a great way to sell a product. I mean, it's just an all-in-one. Yeah, you get your new steel retainers, new valve springs. Yeah. Heck of a program that they put together here. Thanks, Comp. I wish I was, I could tell you guys I was getting this stuff for free from them. I'm not. Huge shout out to them though. Yeah, great package. This alternator that we got, now the theme of this motor is black and red from a color schematic. So this Powermaster 165 amp alternator should look really good in there. Yeah, and then the cold air, right? Pretty standard stuff. Everybody's seen a million of those. All right, folks, so that's it for this one. Quick little parts reveal for you. I know a lot of you have been hounding me. What are you doing to this motor? Well, here it is. So stick around. I'm going to be installing this stuff, and I'll be documenting that as well. Show you how I go about putting the cam in and all that good stuff, right? So thanks very much for watching, guys. I appreciate you following along. It's been a fun build. And if you got any questions or comments on things that you saw, the products, by all means, hit me up in the comments section and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.
You have to put a thumbs up. Not down, thumbs up. Thumbs up. Bye, everybody.